To the channel, and I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. First of all, just start the lab, and once done with that, just click on the task number 4. We will complete this particular task first because we need this task number 4 and task number 5 in later step. So what here do, we have to just copy this agent builder over here, copy that, come back, just search over here, open this thing, new tab. Now just come back over here, click on this data store. Okay, first click on the checkbox and then click on this continue. Just simply wait for a couple of seconds. And it's done. Now just click on this data store over here. Click on this create data store. Just simply choose website content and then click on this select. Okay, make sure that you don't have to click on the checkbox over here while creating a data store. Just simply remember that. Now for the slide include, just come back over here. From here, just copy this URL, come back and just paste over here. That's it. Okay. Now just scroll down over here and then click on this continue button. Now for the name, just type this Qwiklabs name over here and you can see this ID. We require this ID in latest step. Okay. Now just click on this create button. It will take a couple of seconds. So just wait. And it's created. Now just click on this app over here. Then just click on this create app. Okay, make sure that you have to just choose search for your website. Okay, just click on this create. Okay, now make sure that for this particular type, when you are creating app, both the checkbox must be tick. Okay, now for the app name, again just type same name, Qwiklabs over here, like this way. Okay, now for the company name, just come back over here, scroll down, and from the task number 5, you can see this company name. So just copy this, come back and paste over here like this way. Okay, so you're done with all the things. Just click on this create button, just choose this and then click on this create button over here. Wait for a second. And it's created over here. You can see data store ID. Now what here do, you have to just search for the Vertex AI. Open this thing, new tab, just come back over here, then click on this Workbench over here. Now just click on this open Jupyter lab. Now it will take a couple of seconds to launch a Jupyter notebook. Meanwhile, just come back over here, click on the task number 1, scroll down a little bit, and from the task number 2, you can see project ID and the location. Okay, so just wait now. Okay, so it's done. Now here you can see this file name called intro grounded Gemini. Just double click over here and the file will open. So just double click, and if it get a pop-up like this, then if you get a pop-up, you can just choose a kernel. Just click over here, you will get this kind of pop-up, and make sure that you have to choose a kernel called Python 3. So just choose that. Okay, now what here do, we have to do couple of changes. So just scroll down over here, and from here you can see your project ID. For that, just copy this project ID over here. Do not copy the last comma, just replace over here like this way. Now for the region, just copy this region carefully. For you it might be different, so just choose accordingly that. Okay, so that's the thing that you have to do. Now again just scroll down over here, and from here you can see, just scroll down. Yeah, here you can see create a data store in Vertex AI. You can see data store ID. Here you have to just replace the ID which you just created, this one. Okay, so just copy this ID, come back and replace over here like this way. So you have done all the changes over here. Make sure that it must look like this. Okay, now if you are using a Jupyter notebook for the first time, so for running a shell, or you can say command, you can just click on this play button over here, or you can just hit shift and enter. Just make sure that your kernel must be Python 3 and it's ideal. If your kernel status is busy or connecting, that time you have to just wait. Okay, so first of all, we will run this command over here. So just simply scroll down, click over here like this way, and just run shift and enter like this. If you just check over here, you can see kernel status is busy. So just wait until it shows the ideal. So it's ideal now. Now what you do, we have to restart the kernel. For that we have to just run this command. So just hit shift and enter, wait for a second. You will get this kind of pop-up. Click on this OK and just check over here. Just wait until your kernel status show as the ideal. So as you can see now it's ideal. Now what you do, you have to just run each and every shell till end over here. So just run that. Okay, so it's done. Now if we just hover over here and just wait until this shell show as a ideal. And it's finally done. Now if we just come back to the lab instructions and click on the check my progress for each and every task, you will get a score without any issue. And if the score is not updated for any particular task, no need to worry. Just wait for a couple of minutes and you will get a full score over here for sure. So just wait and watch. And as you can see, it's done. And that's the way we have to complete this lab. If you still have any doubts, please do let me in the comment section. Thanks for watching and have a good day, guys.